Hey guys, welcome to Lacave-Insight. I'm Marcus, music producer, lighting director, programmer and official MA trainer. This is MA Quick Tips. In this video I want to show you a way how you can save up your flash or temp buttons for busking environment. So normally you would grab your fixtures, go to MA Tricks, make a grouping of 3. Let's press the next button. Lights at 100%, store it, next, 100%, next, 100% and store this. And then create a temp button of this, and then you have now these 3 temp buttons. If you do it like this, then you need 3 buttons for this action. And even if you have a full size for a busking show, you can never have enough buttons, and you will run out of buttons very, very soon. I show you how I do that. So let's erase these sequences. Let's select the fixtures. Go to MA Tricks, say grouping of 3, press next, add, store it as Q1. Next, add, store it as Q2 in the same sequence. Next, add as Q3. So what we have created here now, this is Q1, Q2, Q3. It's not what we wanted, but yeah, it is. So let's now go to Edit Settings and disable tracking. When disabling the tracking, then we don't need to douse the other lamps and the other cues. So let's say Q1, Q2, and Q3. So this is cool, but we want a temp button for that. So we've already created a temp button, but by clicking, it's only going to hit the first cue. So let's say Edit Settings and change the behavior of the restart mode. And I'm going to set the restart mode to next cue. And now, always when I'm pressing, it's going to start the next cue. So it would look like this. So you see, we are nearly there, but now I would like to have a small fade out. So I'm going to add the off cue and the fade time of the off cue. Let's put 0.3 on it. And now we can hit this temp button. And we have a 3-step chaser with just 1 button instead of 3 buttons. I really love this feature to do all my busking shows because it saves a lot of space. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.